Before we get there, let's talk about a lot of cables. And there are a tremendous number of cables with this. Don't be daunted by it when you open the box. They all make sense. They all only go to a single place. Some of these you don't even need to plug in. So let's talk about this one first. This is one of the plugs that goes into the back of the display. This has all kinds of video feeds. So this has video in, video out, DVR in, auxiliary ins, you name it, all kinds of different connectivity here that unless you know you need this, you don't need it. Okay, so I almost never plug this one in because I've never had a car that has had any of these other feeds that we would need to plug this in. Okay, so go ahead and set this aside, even including the microphone. So go ahead and set that aside. That is something that we absolutely want to add. Sadly, a lot of X1s didn't have it, and it's a relatively straightforward addition to this installation. And that's, I think, the single thing that's going to take the most time to do the install, because we've got to go install it in the tail. We've either got to use the wireless transmitter or run the cable from the tail all the way up through the dash and up to here. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump to the back, take a look at that, and see what that cable run is going to be like.